Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door seal. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a utility knife, and of course, your brand new door seal. Before you begin, make sure the door frame is clean and clear of any debris. It's also crucial to measure your old seal accurately, perhaps to the nearest 1/8 of an inch, to ensure your replacement fits perfectly. This preparation saves time and effort later on. Now, let's tackle removing the old seal. Begin by gently prying it away from the door frame with your flathead screwdriver, working from one corner. If the seal is particularly stubborn, you might need to use a utility knife to carefully cut through any old adhesive or caulk. Once the old seal is completely off, take a moment to thoroughly clean the entire door frame. This ensures a smooth, clean surface for your new seal to adhere to, preventing future issues. With the old seal gone and the frame clean, it's time for the new installation. Start by aligning your new door seal at the top corner of the door frame. Carefully press it firmly into place, working your way down the frame. Apply consistent, even pressure to ensure a tight, secure fit all around. Once you reach the bottom, use your utility knife to trim any excess material, leaving a neat and professional finish. This step is crucial for optimal insulation. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Close the door and carefully inspect for any visible gaps or drafts around your newly installed seal. If you notice any small gaps, you might consider applying a thin bead of silicone caulk along the edges for enhanced weatherproofing and a tighter seal. Remember to regularly inspect your door seals, perhaps every 6 months, to ensure they remain in good condition, helping to maintain your home's energy efficiency and comfort for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.